everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. Lemon is definitely a staple in all our homes. Not only is it a key ingredient in our recipes, but it does wonders when it comes to cleaning. In today's video, I'll show you how I disinfect, deodorize and clean all at the same time using this natural cleansing ball. I'm sure you're already aware of a few, but to see what my favorite cleaning hacks are using this power ball, jump on in and let's get rolling. Lemon works wonders for microwave. For this, just add a few slices of lemon to a bowl filled with water. I also like squeezing lemon juice as the steam generated helps deodorize even better. Place this bowl in the microwave for about 3 minutes. Once done, let it sit for another 3 minutes so that the steam generated can help loosen the buildup. Then remove the bowl, grab a cloth and just wipe it down starting from the outside to work your way inside. This simple hack cleans and deodorizes all at the same time. A great alternative to this is using lemon oil to help deodorize it even better, and if you have tougher smells and stains, I suggest adding baking soda to the water along with the lemons. Lemon is a great natural alternative for bleaching. I squeeze lemon juice on the stains and let it soak in hot water for a few hours or overnight. I like to add lemon juice into the water as well while soaking. The ratio is actually 1 juice of lemon to a gallon of water. I wash them as usual, or you can even add the lemon water to the washing cycle. Also, squeezing lemon juice along with a detergent will help eliminate odors from the fabric. Once done, air dry under the sun because the power of lemon and sun is what will help get rid of the stains and keeps the fabrics brighter. I have tried these only on white cotton fabrics, so do a patch test on any other kind of fabric. This is definitely not a foolproof way, so I should warn you about that, but a great alternative from those toxic products. Depending on how badly your clothes need bleaching, you can pre-soak them in baking soda and lemon juice along with hydrogen peroxide for better results. Lemon works great for cleaning glass. If you have unused lemon halves like I do, just toss it in the microwave for about 15 seconds so that it's easy to juice it out. Usually it's pretty hard otherwise, or you can use a fresh lemon as well. Just squeeze half a lemon and add some water into it. Spray this on whichever glass surface and wipe it with a microfiber cloth or paper. Such a natural way to clean around the house. If the stains are tough, I suggest you to dip the cloth directly in the lemon juice to help clean it better. A great way to remove hard water stains from faucets or shower heads is to rub lemon directly onto it. Once you've worked it through, just leave it for a few minutes in there and wash it all away to see your fixtures shine. This will help loosen the grime and hard water deposits like no other. If your soap scum and hard water stains are really bad, I suggest using baking soda and vinegar with lemon to help get rid of those scums better. Lemon juice has great antimicrobial properties, making it a great ingredient to wash produce. Just squeeze lemon juice to a bowl filled with water. Then soak your produce in it and let it stand by for a few minutes before you rinse it all again and air dry it completely. Vinegar is a great substitute instead of lemon juice. This is my favorite hack ever. Plastic containers do end up staining and eliminate strong odors when used frequently. The best way to get rid of them is to squeeze lemon juice in the container. Use the lemon as a cleaning tool and put your muscle power in to rub it all. Once done, strain out the juice and place the container outside in the sun and see the magic unveil in a few hours. This is a great cleaning hack for spring. This also works wonders if you have food stains on your hand or even odors because of chopping vegetables or any kind of meat. Just scrub the juice of half a lemon onto your palm and wash your hands as usual to see the stains or odors wash off. If your stains and odors are bad, I suggest using baking soda along with lemon. There are so many different ways to use lemon for cleaning, and these are definitely my favorite ones. If you have never tried lemon as a cleansing ball, I highly suggest you to get on the bandwagon because they're so inexpensive and eco-friendly as well. Also, right up here, I will leave a link for my other cleaning hacks for you to check them out as well. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it helped you just in time for spring cleaning. As always, hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. It definitely means a lot. And if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe so that I can catch you in my next one. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.